Hello everyone, my name is Tom Augustine and I am a first year MBA student at IIM Rohtak. Here are a few tips for the QA section while you are sitting to attempt the CAT exam.
Hi everyone, my name is Manan Charaya and I'm one of the first year students at IIM Rohtak. So as you all know that CAT is right around the corner, so I am here to give you a few tips and tweaks about the quant section. Since it is the last section, it becomes of a crucial importance because many students lose their energy till that time, and also the mental pressure which is increasing with every next section. At the last section, it is at its peak.
QA or quantitative aptitude is the last leg of the CAT examination and it might be a daunting leap for some. Firstly, keep a calm and clear head while solving the problems. Do not allow a single sum to get you ahead. Keep a maximum of 2 to 3 minutes for a single question. If you are not able to figure it out, move ahead. There are easier questions down the line. You could also follow a multiple round approach while attempting the questions, focusing more on the difficult questions in the subsequent rounds. Coming to the topics which comprise the QA section, there are 5, namely arithmetic, algebra, geometry, modern maths and number system. A trap here would be that one might be significantly proficient in one topic and there is a tendency to overlook another topic. CAT is an exam known for its fair share of surprises and you never know what goes in your favor until it's over. So, an overall understanding of each topic is essential to ace the section. Another important point to keep in mind would be not to leave any questions without reading. You might miss out on some valuable scores there. Accuracy is another important factor that one should keep in mind while solving the QA section. Silly errors could become the Achilles heel here and it could cost you heavily. So what could be done? Slow down a bit and be more careful with the calculations. Identify the weak spot that you have and work extra hard there. Practice always helps, so there can't be any dearth of it. And also read the questions with an eye for detail, because you don't want yourself working on half-baked solutions. Once you build up that base of accuracy, you can work up your speed too for achieving higher scores.
So the solutions are very simple enough. The first thing is do the question which you have solved yourself. So with the pen and paper, the solution which has come to you is the right solution. So do only that question which you have solved with the help of pen and paper, and do not rely on your guesses. So many people rely on their guesses, like just multiply it in my mind and I am relying on my guess, this would be the answer. So do not rely on your guesses. Sometimes it is none of the above. None of the above is also option, so please do consider such points and do not rely on your guesses in this section. Last but not the least, there are some people who are also weak at quant, so that also gives a competitive edge over others to you if you do this section well. Last but not the least, since the CAT is on the edge and it's just 15 to 20 days, so what my last 15 days strategies was, it was a very simple enough strategy. So I gave close to around 70 mocks earlier and I tried to analyze each and every mock of them. I saw and re-attempted the questions which I felt were very important and I was weak at those particular areas. So I re-attempted those questions. Along with that, I also devoted close to around 30 minutes to my formula book, which I was preparing from the start of my preparation. So it consisted of all the major formulas which were in the quant section, and also it had some of my pain points, such as integration was one of my pain points. So it had some notes of that I was giving regularly 30 minutes. So that these things helped me a lot in the last 15 days. So yeah, these were some of the pointers and tricks from my end. Hopefully these will assist you in achieving your goal and becoming an IMI. Hoping to see you soon guys at campus.